Yo. Hello, ladies, gentlemen, non-binaries, unidentified, asexual, orbital objects. Excuse me. 10-hour stream. We got into some pretty deep stuff. Now let me see. We're good on Instagram. You know, this whole streaming stuff is new for me, right? So pretty deep stuff. We're good on YouTube. I think we're good on TikTok. I don't know. I hope so, because TikTok's where it's at, man. TikTok is like it says I'm live now. Should be cool. Should be cool. Should be cool. Alright, let's go live stream. Boom. Gamified live stream. New Gen A polymath for future ready. To do testing Devin. Scam or SC nightmare. He's not a scam. Devin's great. The future of ERPs and how AI is changing CRMs. Okay, I might get into that, but before all of that, I want to do some basic stuff. Okay, now you're gonna have to excuse me over here. Okay. Let me see if I'm live on YouTube as well. Wait. Nope, this isn't live. Is it live? I don't fucking know. I really don't know. What was that? Huh? Alright, turn this down. Alright, you got music up. Let me just check, come on. Gotta check if I'm up on YouTube. I want to get up on Reddit too, dog. Like, Reddit is where it's at. Do you understand? Like, that's where a lot of the people that have been, you know, sidelined, or actually Reddit is middle-aged white male, kind of like millennial. I'd say TikTok is more of an important like tool to be alive in, because there you have like the new generations, and that is ultimately what, if you heard any of the last 9 hours that I've been speaking, you'd know that that's exactly the people who I'm trying to get across to. Not for any well, monetary reason, but just for sharing ideas on threading together a few things which I think should be laid down on the table. But I don't want to talk about that anymore. I spent basically 9 hours talking about that, and now I just want to make sure that I get some work done. And getting work done is part of the job, unfortunately. Unfortunately, getting more qualities 8 hours ago. Nope. Excuse me. Getting my setup taken care of. There you go. Oh, it feels good. Okay, 27 minutes ago, learn to play. Let's try it. That's good. Okay. Now, before I start hitting it again, because there's a lot of stuff I want to do. God damn, the latency's crazy. There you go. Okay, I don't know. That's the route. Latency's crazy. Okay. Before I blast off, I want to juice up. Here's the deal. Like, these are some of my first streams, all right, and yeah, it does take some time, you know, if you put in like that much hours. You like the minimum. God damn it. Trying to find out if I can. There you go. Yeah, the minimum I want is to at least you know, do the bare minimum in terms of like juicing up, saying that I'm going live again, even though I didn't stop going live. I just took a break. By the way, heads up, Cyberfunk Station bringing on those grooves. Thank you very much. For all those lonely hearts out there tonight, here is Cyber Station, coming from you for another galaxy where music has no frequencies and it's just grooving. Now, going on to the stuff that matters. Let's juice it. I'm sorry, boys. Before anything else, I gotta make sure that you know, I'm not putting like 10 hours talking and advocating. Log out. I don't know why. Cause it was a pretty intense one, last one. So I'm live, but let me check. Like, I'm not exactly sure where I'm live, and it would be nice. YouTube, Red, Post, Twitch, Facebook, X, I'm okay, Trovo, Instagram, I'm not live on Instagram. What's going on? Yeah, of course I'm live on Instagram. TikTok says I'm not live. I'm not live. Now that's the thing, you know. Like, that's exactly the target audience I want to reach. So multi-stream chat platform, Red. I don't know yet, but is it streaming? Settings, output, multi-stream, stream, logged in, TikTok. It says on TikTok, so it should be fine. If anybody's on TikTok, and just all right, yeah, I can see some people joining. That's okay. So, goddamn, that was pretty tough what we just went through. Okay. Now, it's not always that dystopian over here, okay? I just had to get some shit off my stuff off my chest, excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, non-binaries. Now I want to get into some actual cool stuff, okay? Like, goddamn, that was a manifesto. I think I'm gonna cut that out at some point. I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna have Claude 3.5, the newest version. I rewrite that stuff, make it a Git book so that I can have it stapled basically on the stream, so people know what this is all about. Okay, I'm not over here telling you what the best model is. I'm not over here trying to tell you what Facebook is doing, or I'm basically, it's all about education. Like, education is the key. Education is the most important factor of this whole paradigm shift we're going through. And this whole stream is the beginning of creating an audience. So that it slowly drives people to what we're creating, which is a modular puzzle-based learning system, just like Hack the Box was for cybersecurity, but for AI, and is certificated. All right. Now, why am I online on YouTube? YouTube's important. YouTube. Okay. I see. Yeah, YouTube's banned me. Is that it? Is it because I said something bad about Sergey Brin? Look, man, you're gonna have to deal with the stuff, YouTube. I ain't going anywhere. Ooh, look at this stuff. The Quantum C cinematic. No, ambient. No. Problem with ambient music. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. The problem with my ambient music is that problem with ambient music is too chilled. and it gets people to sleep, gets me to sleep. I like it. In fact, like I think one of the biggest technologies that was skipped was transparency in earbuds with your personal live song ringing all the time when you would focus on somebody. I'm not sure I like this one though. And when you would focus on someone, like it would obviously like tune down the music, but all right, we're live on TikTok. That's good. Gaylord joined. Hi Gaylord. Now, what I'm gonna try to do is that thing over here on Streamlabs. Now, Streamlabs is for a bunch of noobs, and I'm a millennial. You know, I guess I'm a noob. It's funny because like it doesn't give me the chat. That's interesting. It doesn't give me the chat of TikTok. Now that's screwed up because like the people that I most want to get to is the people on TikTok. Because the people on YouTube are already too stuck talking about what is the best model and how you should install it, whatever, and blah 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 blah. And the people on Facebook, well, they're basically trying to deal with no offense to anybody out there, but trying to deal with divorce courts. And the people on Twitch are the promising new generation, and the promising new generation is basically the only hope that we have over here, if we're gonna take AI seriously. You know, and stop talking about it like it's a product that you can sell, where Anderson Horowitz can invest I don't know how many XPCs. Yeah, sure. I mean, look, if you do that, that's great, and you should be proud of yourself, and big ups to you. I just want more people to get into education. That's it. Okay, that's all I'm saying. Not trying to discourage anybody into doing their own businesses. In fact, I'm an entrepreneur by trade. I'm doxxed right off the bat. Like, you can see my face, see my name, you see my Twitch, my Discord, you know, like I even have, I think that like Streamlabs things where it says your profile. See, I got a son. You can see I've got a family. I'm not a bandit. So I'm here just to say what I think needs to be heard, and I think a lot of people. It's not about what like I think needs to be heard. It's I think also what I think a lot of people need or would like to hear, so that they can get some sort of validation or approval for some thoughts that they have had for a long time and that have been closeted, but we're breaking those barriers down. And anyway, I spent the last 9 hours talking about that stuff, and it was, you know, if you've got any measure of abstract thinking, which is the most important thinking that you can have, forget IQ tests, forget anything that is to do with memorization. If you want to survive in the next generation over here, you need to have abstract thinking, which is the ability to isometrically take patterns that you know from other areas, and where there's, let's say, a vacuum of knowledge, you can maybe construe some sense out of like nodes which have no synapses, and create value where there is none. But that's what I just spent a long time talking about, and I want to do some like productive work, because actually I got an agency to run. Because the way that this works is, yeah, we do provide, or we are working to provide education, but to provide education, we first started with a B2B agency, which sells products to enterprises, which is, for me, like, after having been a consultant or an AI strategist for so long, it's a very boring endeavor, but it was a necessary start so that I could get business in, so that in the courses that we provide in our system that we're building, we're actually able to make sure that people are not only learning but earning. Because the reality is that, look, economically, we're all going to shit. I can't say that word, sorry. We're all going to a bad place, and people need a net, right? If they say, like, I want to learn this, I want to be good at this, I want to like master this, you need to provide them also like a way so that they can bring food, so that they can bring all right, I just received an interesting message from a friend. Give me a second over here. Friend, would you like to collab? You need to basically just have an image. I send you a link, and then, you know, instead of having the music over here, I take it out and I put you over here. I would very much like if you join at some point. One of the, you probably didn't follow, but like, through maybe like 8 hours of a lot of the stuff that you and I share together. So here's what I'm going to do. We're going to go to live stream, and I'm going to go to add, and when I add something, I have to add, what is it? It's like collab something. Now, I don't know if he's gonna come on or not, but this friend of mine is maybe one of the most weirdest, intricate, necessary friendships I've made over my years online. Here it is, collab. I'm gonna call him Streamy Man, because I know that's what. Is that right? Stream Man? Oh. That's okay. No, actually, I don't know. I think I'll put the music down. Put your volume up. We'll see how it goes. Is Stream Man okay? Or should I put Stream Stranger? I think you like the allegory there, as far as I know you. So Okay, that's done that. And now, what do I do? Maybe I don't like this. Something a little bit less tantalizing. Let me see if I can actually like if I can hit on your, yeah, it's gonna be something that more like atomic gauge. And now what I do is gotta get this done, and I add that's widgets collab. Now I wonder if there's a way where you can yeah, you can write, you can be there, you can write, yeah. Some other guy, some like what I had with Catman Josh, my CTO, is he's a cat literally, you know. So and so you're just there and he moves, and like when he talks is the cat. Give me a second here, boys. It's been 10 hours, so bear with me. I'm looking for collab cam. Where the hell are you? Collab cam. And I hope I do manage to make this work, because it has been a long time since I've thought that conversations between me and a streamy stream stranger were yeah, I think I'm gonna I have to delete this one. I have two probably. Okay, now I try to add it again. If you see it, help me out. Help me out, boys. Bit credit view count. Where is it? It's the general image close text GDI collab. It's okay, it's not here. So is it in settings? Yeah, it's in settings. Output. Wait, maybe if I write here collab. No, pretty sure it was in the other one. pretty sure it's here somewhere. But I just can't see it because I've been awake for too many hours. Maybe it's like a, maybe I put like a chat highlight since streaming streamy stranger has a sore throat. I will make it, don't worry. Hold on. Where the hell did I used to see that on? I think maybe maybe I'm getting confused. And it used to be over here. I had one set up already for Joshman and but general. Yeah, I don't know. I got the ticker, I got the badge, display, Twitch, the sources, my ticker's on, everything's right. So, what's the dealio? Yeah, my CPU usage is at an all-time high. I know that, thank you. But I'm pretty sure here. Okay, I'm gonna try and do something else. This must be this by the way, guys, we're gonna be exploring this like hardcore. I got my Pixel 9. There's an app which does this VR thing. I just gotta put it around and it's the whole thing. Let me put it in a way that the gentleman has a highlight chat message from your viewers on your stream, or a chat bot, or which one would it be? I think it would be yeah, but also it's a little bit of a pity because like it's really his talking which is which is interesting to hear. I think yeah, I think I can't add it after the fact. So let me check something. If I go to intermission over here, we play it like this. I'm not coding anyway right now. And I go to collab here, and I do start collab cam, and I copy. And yep. Tudo.
Não, não estás. Vamos lá.
Tá bem.
Não sei se está bom de se farta.
150 pessoas ali.
Não, não faz mal.
Hã?
Não faz mal. Não faz mal.
Quê?
O importante é comer. Não faz mal. Vá.
A porta também. Okay. Let me see. No, I don't think he's here. Oh, come on. Stream, man. Seriously? I spent like 10 minutes doing this. 15. Anyway. It's a webcam source. Just so you know, you can put I mean, this is for everybody. Like anybody that wants to join, wants to have a say. You can have an avatar. You don't need to put your face. God damn, 58. Look at my CPU, man. It's burning hot, bro. All right, but oh, I feel like Elkovin was trying to tell me something. Anyway, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back to what matters. God damn. I'm gonna enable performance mode. And stream man, you Discord me if you change your mind. Your poetic prose and insights are always welcome. All right. So, going back to business. Now, where did we lead off? This was ages ago. I don't know who was here, who wasn't here. But we were playing with Devin. Okay. And now we're checking out what Devin can do. All right. You know, there's a lot of talk about, well, Devin's a scam, Devin's not a scam. Well, Devin is the same as any other of the other ones. Like, actually, O3 will probably kill Devin very quickly, in the sense that I think they finally realized that it's not all about the models. It's about like making models relatable to people so that they can adopt them easily. And that is exactly what Devin did. Like Devin is not anything. It's like he's a good junior software engineer. Yes, he would be probably like in a price point in a price point of view, he would probably be more worthwhile than having a junior engineer. Because the learning curve that Devin has is, I don't know exactly, like, because you gotta take into account one thing, which is like when a company releases a product to Q4, you you don't know if all the features are actually really working, or if it's just like a shipment, software shipment in progress, work in progress. Okay, but I'm going to tell you that the experience I've had with Devin and what we were doing before was pretty tight, pretty happy. And now we're gonna go back to it and we're gonna check it out. As I do that, I'm gonna update my stream over here. I really need editor, by the way. You know, any good editor which is AI savvy. I don't want any of those, like, you know, I need Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. There you go. Dang. Am I on YouTube? Sorry, boys. It's like I'm not gonna stream 10 hours, not be on the platforms that they need to be. It's bad business. I don't think I'm on YouTube. Fa. Fa. Okay, so you know what? Let's go. Let's do it. We don't need YouTube. We don't need YouTube. Devin is sleeping due to inactivity. Wake up, Devin. The correct repository to push sure. Our changes are ready to. Oh my god. Let's see if he actually did what I wanted him to do. Okay. Hello, Devin. Changes are ready to be pushed. All files committed branch temporary, but I cannot proceed without proper repository access. The correct repository URL to push to, or access to the current repository. 2. Devin takes time to wake up. That is great, isn't it? Like, that's the only thing that I have to say against it. Otherwise, I'm pretty impressed. Pretty impressed. People forget the importance of user experience, and these guys do. And I think the people that put billions in them understand that. Devin is waking up. This may take 90 seconds. Sometimes I take 5 minutes to wake up, you know what I mean? Devin woke up. Okay, Devin. Let's see. You can see how Devin has planned. Now, Devin is an agent, but like he's masked as one person, but it's a multi-agentic workflow. And you can see basically here, I'm gonna zoom in, like what I gave him was a pretty tough task, actually, you know. And I just told him like to go do it. And I gotta say, I'm really impressed at. Well, let's see what the end results are. But I'm really impressed at how he broke down. And he broke down all the issues that I gave him, and at the end, he didn't get, it didn't seem like he got stuck anywhere. He got stuck here, create branch and commit changes. So that's where we're at, right? And then it's report the push request to user. So one of the things that Devin is special, or that's special about Devin that I want to point out is I think this is also like a user experience gimmick, is like you know how the whole point of like working with an agent or working with a model is like its ability to learn. They've made it so that like every time Devin learns something, it comes across in terms of user experience as an epiphany. So look, suggested update to knowledge. So like I asked him something and he answers me like, I'll implement the complete voice integration myself, starting with a real-time audio processing component. Actually, you should have done that way before already. Access knowledge, right? But now suggested update to knowledge. Let's look at that, okay? So what Devin then says is like, look, man, what you're asking me to do is gonna require me to go through these certain steps. So I want to keep that in my knowledge base, so next time I can be faster at my job. At least that's how it comes across, right? Multiple Devon sessions, up to 5 can be run. Shared more lines code. Anybody to separate, common, coordinate through shared base. Yeah. Update. Yeah, sure. Actually, why is it update? Why do they want to? Why do they want to suggest an update? That's very interesting. Multiple Devon sessions can be distributed of tasks across sessions. Now, like, let's be real here, boys. Like, the OG is MetaGPT, okay? Like, if okay, unless you were in the rugs and pools of Auto AGI back in the day, the real OG of agentic an agentic workflow is AutoGPT. Multiple Devons up to 5 can be concurrently run, so you can spin up more than one Devon, and that's an important part. So you know, it's like instead of having one junior software engineer, you have him spin up what do you call them, like their own virtual ay caramba, their own virtual instances. so that multiple devons can be working at the same time, right? Of course, you'll be consuming the credits, but the credits haven't seemed to be that expensive until now. Okay, it's good. Yeah, sure. All yeah, save. Fuck it. Good. Let's go. Pose and yes, go. Oh. So, for you, you guys who weren't here, what I did is I made thanks to Jay Gravel, I made something that Rags Archfix for the most relevant, coolest AI ML computer science related journals, and then breaks them down in chunks of paragraphs in layman's term. And then I took that and using Devon, before I go in, using Devon, I asked him to call upon OpenAI's real-time voice chat, created a stochastic personality for character that's like a little bit like cocky funny Duke Nukem style, but that gives some pizzazz and some fun, but has also like great in-depth knowledge on computer science topics and software engineering and AI, and asked him to add that and to add a recording function so that I could activate him so that he would talk to me while I'm looking at these different articles together. So that's what we're building here today, okay, with Devon. So I checked that again. Rely me to so that's a cool thing, like he's connected directly to your GitHub repo. Yeah, that's why I keep saying like what they basically did is like I wouldn't. He's I could build what we've done here much faster with like the normal cursor code composer. Okay. But yeah, he doesn't have the authority to do that. Oop. Where's my organization? Your organizations, as you know, we have an organization, a B2B enterprise well, we sold our soul to the devil and make products for enterprises, but it's a means to an end for those of you who already know what this is all about. But let me do this. I'm gonna call it I'm gonna call it just for the lulz, AI Fox channel. And I need great repositories or short memory needed for how about stunning octo now. It's a voice assistant. It's a real-time voice assistant. That's what we're doing here. We're gonna be looking at all of the archvics. Yeah, let me go. Let me. He's good. He's good because one of the things I like about Devin is he thinks around problems. That's why I'm telling you, he's he's not an LLM workflow. He's a multi-agentic system posed as a software engineer. They don't give much information about him. You can check the documentation. It's very thin, but that's what it is. You know, let's look at the one which I was telling you is the OG, right? Before, like, you had Crew AI or AutoGen. First there came Meta GPT. Actually, I think they've advanced a lot. Actually, they're moving on to actually they've productized it. I think I'm on the waiting list. Pushing the changes to the AI Fox changes, yeah. Doing a screen and pull request. Voice generation. Okay. So here you got like what I would say is like the OG, right? And in this case, agentic workflow. This was before baby AGI or any of the other ones which had an intermediary which would collect memory. This and Camel were the ones that people would bank on. Camel, by the way, is a Saudi was a Saudi project. And it's basically just it's what you see the difference between the last GPTs was that they've added something like Camel, which is they've added like an agent that keeps prompting the original LLM model to do better or to rethink, and that's how you get better reasoning, right? But this is the original kind of architecture that you would that came, right? So in this case, it was a software company. In our case, what we did was we had basically this software company, but already here with exactly the let's say it's a product company, right? Instead of a software company, it's a product manager, and the product manager had already something that he had to build, and then he basically breaks it down into several different parts, right? So one part of Devon was checking out like LiveKit voice, which is the one that OpenAI uses for real-time voice chat. He had basically one which was doing the integration with Streamlit, which is where which is the front-end architecture that I was working with. One, and a couple of engineers doing a couple of different things. So that's actually what you have here. And if you look at what he's doing, it's creating the PR right now. Create a PR. Let me know once you're ready for review. Review and comment. Voice integration with Duke Nucleus personality. This PR implements real-time voice capabilities with Duke Nucleus personality system. Replaces the better real-time being with more still whisper plus chat API. Well, I could have gone whisper plus grok, which would have been better. But for the sake of what we're doing, let's just go with it. Testing status. The changes have been tested locally for now. Assuming UI functionality checkbox and the link to the Alright. Men's got 8. Yeah, but he's good. Yep, that's good. Yep. This is quite a complicated thing I have to ask him to do. I would say this is actually beyond junior level. I don't know if this is part of the new merge experience. Ah, I should have used a mock audio device. What's mock audio device? So what now? Haha. Now this could turn out to be complete disaster. Or just half of a disaster. Okay. Oh, see how he's talking to me on Slack? You don't see that, but no, I got the I got over there the I'm actually curious to see what the other guy says. Give me a second. While he's doing this I'll do a quick look over here. R&D's channel. Wow, there's one a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Oh, yeah, every week there's a new better one. I have this actually. No, it's where are we? Over here. We really need to build some stuff with Unreal Engine too. Actually, I want some animated characters on the stream. Can it compete? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, all right, okay, dude. Where? You know what, guys? Let me tell you something. This low-key newsletter, for those who want to keep updated, this is the Reddit thing, but Market Post AI newsletter is low-key, I think, one of the best newsletters out there. Probably already subscribed, but I've always liked these things. AlphaFold 3 inference code base. I want to see what that is all about. good. I'm gonna make sure this stays pinned because I like it, and I'm gonna webhook it later. But anyway, the world of AI. Let's see what they had to say about Devin before we see the final results. Yeah, it should be somewhere down here. A couple of weeks ago. Don't forget that there was 2 Devin releases, one right after the other. So I know you love anything in LLM because they sponsor you. Devin.
Edge cases where the UI looks weird, etc. And before Devin, my workflow was obviously to first read through the Slack messages, and as I'm reading, I will add them to my very long,
I've seen this
very
video.
messy to-do list, which looks something like this.
It's just a composition of
And
other
eventually,
people's.
at the end of my day, I'll convert things into linear tickets.
You didn't
and
pay for the
eventually prioritize
$500
things in our sprint planning document.
Smart man.
My workflow now with Devin is as these bug reports and suggestions and things like that come in through Slack, I will actually immediately send Devin a message so it gets added to my Devin sessions. And at the end of my day, I'll go through and look at all of the sessions that haven't been archived yet. And Devin will usually have a PR waiting for me. So I'll click the link, view the PR. We have Vercel preview deployment set up. So I'll click preview typically to view and make sure that things look good. And then I'll check the code to make sure it looks good. And then within 10 seconds, I'll have something merged. Versus
Yeah, it's the
previously,
same thing I did today.
it's kind of crazy to think about in hindsight, but even small tasks would often end up not addressed, sitting for days in linear. In terms of the types of tasks that I give Devin, sometimes they're very small, very specific things that I'll ask for in between meetings so I don't forget. Other times it'll be larger things. So an example here, I asked Devin actually previously to make one of our tables sortable.
I've heard a lot about this guy, Steve. I think he's big in came from the cybersecurity space. Oh no, he's the guy behind Builder.io. Interesting, he's comparing a agent to an IDE, but
I asked to make all of our tables sortable. And in this particular case, Devin wrote code that worked, which I was able to verify, but the code quality wasn't perfect. But because Devin got me 80% of the way there, it was still a huge time saver because Devin found edge cases for me, etc. And overall,
I'm impressed with Devin's capabilities.
Start the task from scratch. Lastly, really taking a step back, overall, I definitely think Devin has raised the bar for product quality and responsiveness on our team, really helping to make sure small issues don't sit in the backlog for days, but rather
we talk a lot about small issues, but
edge cases where the UI looks weird, etc. And before Devin, my workflow was obviously to first read through the Slack messages.
We try the open source. Yeah, I've heard about this. I have it in we have it in our toolbox.
Which looks something like this.
I'm
and
curious
eventually at the end of my day, I'll convert things into linear tickets and eventually prioritize things in our sprint planning document. My workflow now with Devin is as these bug reports and suggestions and things like that come in through Slack.
$500 a month is steep for solo devs like me.
So it gets added to my Devin sessions. And
there's
at the end of my day,
no
I'll go
software
and look at
engineer
all of the sessions that haven't been archived yet.
that does as much as he does for $500.
So I'll click the link. You
just need to know how to sell them correctly. So which software should I buy?
And make sure that things look good.
Thanks for the
then
video. Basically, nothing special. It's not better than Cursor. Well, Cursor's an IDE.
Versus previously,
and so are these two. Save your money. You're welcome.
Not addressed, sitting for days.
It's different. Like completely
In terms
different.
of the
Like
types of
Devin
tasks that
goes
I give
through the
Devin,
whole
sometimes they're very
work-through of
small and they're
tasks,
specific things that I'll ask for in between meetings
and
so I don't forget.
doesn't
Other
need
times it'll be larger
instructions all the
things. So
time.
an example
I'd
here,
love to try
I
out
asked
Devin,
Devin
but the
actually
foreign
previously
person,
to
it
make
is
one of our
steep.
tables
It
sortable.
is steep, boys.
And
But
here I asked to
if you
make
don't,
all of our tables
if
sortable.
you're
And
not
in this particular
comparing it
case,
to
Devin wrote code that
a
worked,
junior
which I was able
software
to
engineer.
verify
Now,
with
if you
the
think a
code quality
junior
log in
software
Puppet.
engineer
But because Devin got me 80% of the
is
way there,
only
it was
worth
still a
500 a
huge time
month,
saver because Devin found
then well,
edge cases
that
for me, etc.
I think that
And
points out some of the
overall, it was
problems
much better
that
than
we're
having
having
to
in the
start
tech
the task from
space.
scratch.
Um,
Lastly,
I
really
know it
taking a
sounds
step back,
crazy,
overall, I
but
definitely think
you can
Devin has
only really
raised the bar
judge
for
it.
product quality and responsiveness on
Now,
our team,
this here
really helping to make sure small issues don't sit in the
is
backlog for days,
the
but rather the
comment
entire
that
team is
kind of
able to start Devin
like
sessions for
breaks
them as soon
down
as
the
they're
whole
located.
construction
Well,
that's
that
been
is
made
basically
before.
it for today's video on Devin. This is definitely
03 and
a
O
really
three
cool
Mini
new
is going
IA.
to eat Devin alive. So that is just fact. So let's go back. Let's see how we're doing over here. Now, what's interesting is like to keep a calculation of his AUCs, right? His the credits that he's using. Okay, hasn't managed to compile Streamlit together with what I asked him to. That might have been also like let's say that my the brief that I gave him was somewhat like loose. So let's see. He knows that the problem is that let me tell you, once you, he's over here, right? Once you have completed your tasks, provide a Vercel um, uh, testing space. So, yeah, let me see. No, I want to see I want to see his company. One-on-one consultations, projects, a second channel, world of crypto. Good recommendation. Interesting how he just build and deploy apps end to end, debug and test code, review and pull requests, support code mitigation, handle call on call issues, even order lunch on DoorDash. Now that's interesting. I'm seeing here like some interesting possibilities where Devin works as let's say like as a background JavaScript um uh, uh background discord.py uh to 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 be like a community manager, um which is, as you know, what we're doing is we're giving out bounties and stuff like that. Now, Where were we? Where's Devin? Devin. It's not finding. It's not having access. Yeah, it's not. It's not having How can I help it? Create pull requests from where the changes, deploy a preview version of the website. Tell your system changes, allow stakeholders to. Yep, that's good. But did you see Vercel? I'll set up a Vercel testing. Okay. But he's still, Devin is verifying that the StreamYard application with the voice interaction feature is running correctly. Um, hmm. Uh-oh. Let me, instead of solving the problem, let me give him knowledge. Upload file, add secret. I came up with something. Really? Custom web socket. So he's just gonna use like live kit or something like that. Because OpenAI doesn't, I guess. Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, Streamlit is pretty closed box here, so I'm not surprised. This whole thing would have worked better if it's just ran on like fast API. Okay. You do you. You do you. Now, let's check something out over here. Um, consider it. I mean, yeah. Now that's gonna take a while. And while that takes a while, view, what the hell? No. Browser. That's been one of the problems. Well, it's still a browser map. It's PWA. Try to swing. Yeah, I'll remember to do that, sure. Ah, god damn it. But I'm more interested in the other thing, bro. Yeah, sure. Go live. Is this MP3? MP3? Great. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Go live. Come on. Don't bullshit me. Let's go. Alright, we're logging out. I don't know. settings, stream. Look, it's very simple. It's like this. This one, settings, stream. This one goes here. This one goes here. Yeah. Yeah. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick. A destination, URL, stream key. Where did I put this? It'd be nice to have one done. Let's just go to stream. I like this post comments, red. I'm not getting a chat, live chat. Yes, participants.
Ui, era uma vida. Era uma vida. Fala lá com eles, faz favor.
Não. Okay. Iria resultar provavelmente eu ter que assumir os danos do veículo. É isso. Mas se eu conseguir arranjar o algo escrito e botar a pessoa e ter aqui no próximo dia ou isso, apresentar isso, a história é diferente.
Sim, atrás já havia aquela prestação para dar um cumprimento, tentar falar com o terceiro para ter declaração amigável e ficar só enquanto tiver declaração amigável, nada com outra pessoa, em relação aos danos aqui mesmo tipo de seguro em cumprimento, também tem que ver para não ser cobrado ou não. Mas é como eu lhe digo, aqui nós é até por boa vontade, porque o senhor está em cumprimento e tem aqui um sinistro, aqui o seguro que o senhor tem deixa de ser válido, está a ver? Tem que ser feito logo. O seguro que tinha já não seria válido. Porém, mas é como nós dizemos, conseguir fazer tradução amigável, agradecemos e temos então a dizer aqui se foram os danos ou não. Mas em relação ao cumprimento, terá-me a dizer aqui à estação pagar. Ou também posso fazer um link de pagamento para o senhor. Não tem que ir à estação. Posso enviar aqui um link para o seu e-mail, o senhor clica no link, faz o pagamento e o cumprimento fica pago. Também é uma opção.
Está bem. Eu já percebi bem. Também há aqui outra questão, que é o seguinte, é só para eu perceber. O carro diz que o cliente é de Irlanda, portanto, vocês têm um modelo de negócio em que vocês são intermediários, pessoas que já.
Irlanda deve ser o broker do qual se fazer reserva. O carro aqui é de Portugal. Aqui da Irlanda deve ser o seu broker. Se fez aqui pela cartola, é capaz de ter então aqui o intermediário da cartola que está sentar na Irlanda.
Ok. E o seguro. E o seguro? Qual é o seguro exatamente que você tem?
O seguro que o senhor tem é connosco.
Sim. Como é que se. Qual
Que chama-se SCDW. E o seguro aqui então permite baixar a franquia e cobre tudo o que é acidentes com terceiros.
Não, mas sabe, de vez em quando há outras, há outras pequenas nuances, não é? Por exemplo, não foi uma coisa, não foi porque foi amigável, foi porque eu vinha e pronto, isto aqui,
Claro.
posso arranjar testados e tudo. Vinha com o meu filho, que tem 4 meses, ia para as vacinas e que não estava no meio da autoestrada e simplesmente não ia esperar 3 horas pela polícia na autoestrada.
É um seguro que até cobra, seja culpado ou não. A única coisa que nós precisamos, seja culpado ou não, é a declaração amigável ou o relatório feito no local pela polícia. Depende também dos documentos.
Você há pouco disse uma coisa
para nós, pode
disse.
ser culpado ou não pode não ser culpado.
Ok, você há pouco disse uma coisa, Bruno.
É que é importante para nós.
Você há pouco disse uma coisa que era culpado ou não culpado desde que esteja assinado. Percebi bem?
Não, exatamente. Ou seja, nós aqui dissemos que o senhor assim, ou consiga tentar falar com o terceiro, para assinar a declaração amigável os dois e ter tudo bem preenchido. Assim, então, para os danos, então mesmo ter o seguro, podemos então ver para não cobrar. Mas isso foi o que nós tínhamos na estação. Quando dá logo, então, ter só amigável assim possível, para, em relação aos danos, não dizer que é a verdade de não cobrar. Mas é a mesma obrigatória da declaração amigável. Então, de repente, já não seria possível, pois não foi feito no local. Está a ver? Portanto, temos sempre precisado de declaração amigável e que venha então à estação, ou então pagar pelo link de pagamento, o valor de incumprimento também.
Sim, isso acho que devia ser feito, não é?
Exato,
Isso acho que não há razão nenhuma. hum, e também para vocês poderem já pôr o carro também em função para outras pessoas. Gostava de ajudar o máximo possível e nesse caso. Pronto, consoante a outra pessoa. É mesmo um caso de. Tenho aqui, eu não sei, tenho aqui, tenho aqui as informações todas da pessoa. Agora estou num.
Os documentos, claro. É por isso que nós sempre recomendamos sempre, logo, 100% não aparece, mas é mesmo fazer, sempre chamar a polícia. Para quando isso acontece nestes casos, já tinha aqui um documento válido, está a ver? Agora pode ser mais complicado, e a outra pessoa deve estar num telefone diferente ou não atender e não conseguir fazer então aqui a operação amigável com a assinatura de ambos. Mas lá está, aqui, é que é mesmo obrigatório aqui para nós, visto que é quem é este seguro, que nos apresentar este documento.
Não, eu vou encontrar. Então eu encontro a pessoa. Eu trato disso.
Ok. Então, em relação ao incumprimento, eu vou aqui
Isso,
então fazer
isso
aqui a
é o mais
calculação,
rápido
porque
possível.
tem aqui um valor
Exato.
até dia 3 de 1.
Pronto. Isso não há razão para não já
Exato,
para
exato.
fechar.
E então, eu passar, deixa dizer aqui o valor, é 596,43 cêntimos. E vou
Diga,
então fazer aqui um link de pagamento.
pode,
Ok?
pode
Posso
repetir,
ver mais?
pode repetir, se faz favor?
593, 493, 596, peço desculpa, estava aqui obrigado, 596 euros. Eu vou já aqui fazer o link de pagamento para o seu e-mail. Confirme só se é este.
Ok.
felipe.kung@clinicofai.com.
Está correto, está correto.
Está correto?
Vou-lhe
Ok,
só pedir
perfeito.
uma
Então vou já aqui
coisa.
fazer aqui o link de pagamento.
Uma coisa para depois também ver com os contratos e com os seguros, para saber
Sim,
como é que vocês fazem o cálculo, não é?
claro.
Porque,
Posso aqui,
não é,
aqui a própria,
porque para não
aqui
mandarem, para ter a certeza que não mandam tipo um número aleatório, para estar tudo bem registado. Isto
claro.
põe estas
Mas eu posso
conversas,
fazer aqui um e-mail explicar e também posso aqui fazer então aqui com meus colegas aqui a explicação toda por e-mail dos valores aqui no
se
incumprimento.
faz favor,
Ok?
exato.
Pode
Os
estar confirmado
dias,
em 96.
os,
Mas posso então fazer e também aqui o e-mail juntamente com o link para o senhor então perceber quem está a pagar aqui de incumprimento.
pois, porque o que eu percebi pelo Tiago foi que vocês realmente não tinham um preço por dia pelo carro, só tinham um pelo dia 24 de dezembro, e então aquilo pareceu-me um bocadinho
Então aqui
assim.
o preço do dia do carro não será o preço que o senhor pagou, vai ser mais, não é? Porque a tarifa aqui de incumprimento é diferente da tarifa do aluguer. Até quando falou com o senhor Tiago, era 446. Porém, que o valor já acrescentou. Então, eu vou dizer que fazer aqui a explicação por e-mail e enviar o link de pagamento também que é explicar. Lá está, caso não pague, nós temos já está feito, mas fazer aqui a instrução junto com o tribunal, ok?
Então, olha, isso aí tem que ser fechado imediatamente. E
Exato, exato.
foi por isso
Então,
que eu
eu vou
fui
já aqui fazer o
aí
link de pagamento.
nesse dia e pedi logo para transportar aí o carro e fui
Claro.
totalmente e disse ao Tiago que tinha este problema de encontrar o terceiro partido. Mas eu imagino, eu quero é fechar isto e não quero estar em falta em pagamento nenhum, mas também tenho que perceber que está aqui uma situação que, imagino, se um indivíduo foge e não responde a um sinistro, eu não quero ser culpado e não acho justo e não acho que é uma coisa que um seguro também vai olhar e dizer Ok, sim senhor, este senhor levou uma panada de um carro, o carro fugiu, não fizeram a declaração, o senhor não põe a cara, e eu é que tenho que pagar. Portanto, isto eu gosto que as coisas fiquem bem, pronto, fiquem bem registradas. Eu quero pagar imediatamente o montante que está em falta, que eu possa pagar, que isso aí vamos já fazer, Bruno. Mas em relação ao sinistro, nós temos aqui uma situação que está de facto. Isto não é legal. E não é ilegal eu não tirar, eu não fazer ali. E se eu tiver uma emergência, eu não sou, eu posso ter o direito de não fazer ali a coisa do sinistro.
É claro.
E está a perceber, está a perceber.
Aqui,
Sim, sim. Ok. Vou-lhe pedir o seguinte, por exemplo, eu sei perfeitamente, foi a mesma coisa que eu quero me disse, desde aí tenho tentado falar com o senhor, vou-lhe pedir assim, claro, e é isso que eu vou-lhe pedir, portanto, os valores, porque quer saber, quer ter alguma noção exatamente como é que eles são calculados e onde é que isso está estipulado, em quais contratos é que isso está estipulado, não é? Porque não se pode aparecer com valores fora da nada, não é? Tem que estar tudo estipulado no contrato, eu quero ver essas coisas e quero também ver depois se faz favor mandar qual é que é a agência que eles trabalham em termos de seguros, para ter uma melhor noção de quais é que são as formas que eles geram situações que são fora do comum ou como se diz, vocês não são uma seguradora. Exato, vocês não são uma seguradora. Eu sei disso, eu percebo o que é que como é que vocês operam. Eu quero saber quem é a vossa seguradora. Eu quero saber também eu, e aí isso é que me interessa, porque quando há casos que são fora do dinheiro, não são vocês que vão decidir quem é que paga. Isso é um trabalho que tem que ser. Está a perceber? Pronto, se escrever isso no e-mail e tá, Bruno, eu estou de boa fé e quero pagar imediatamente tudo que for preciso. Estou aqui e quero imediatamente tratar disso para vocês poderem pôr imediatamente a viatura e pronto, penso, já disse várias vezes ao Tiago se ele precisa de algum de alguma de algum documento que, que, que explique a minha ausência. Pronto. Portanto, fazemos assim, eu estou em cima disso 100% agora, Bruno, está bem? tentar tratar disso. Exato. Tá, pode sempre ligar que este não está sempre aberto porque eu estou sempre livre. Agora, eu vou tentar fechar o mais rápido possível ou encontrar, ver o que é que se passou ali para ver se consigo arranjar esse documento. No entanto, apenas só portanto, conseguir fechar, continuarmos as coisas, porque pronto, isto foi uma coisa que acontece, é infeliz. Acontece, mas estamos a trabalhar de boa fé e vocês também, eu gostei muito disso. E quero imediatamente, bem, falta tratar disso, mas também preciso saber tipo, os factos, né? Que a empresa, que a seguradora, como é que vocês calculam os custos, como é que isso funciona o contrato. Isso é muito importante para mim saber, porque, pronto, estamos a trabalhar com os limites legais, né? Pronto. Se fizer isso no e-mail, eu escrevi isso online, vai-me aparecer uma coisa qualquer, sei lá. Tá bem. E fico, olha, bom, pode ligar a qualquer altura. Que, a minha intenção é fazer isto o mais rápido possível. Não quero nada arrastar ou fazer problemas. Estou, muito pelo contrário, a tentar remediar uma situação em que, por poucas vezes, mas desta vez é o mesmo caso, eu considero um bocadinho mérito de uma pessoa que tem um aparato, não atende, e agora estou no meio de uma situação em que. Ok? O e-mail, portanto, filipe.clinic.ai.com. Imagine, se estivéssemos a falar em inglês, Clinic of AI. Obrigado. Agradeço.
Então, fiz os pagamentos que têm sido pagamentos.
Vai ter que
Estou a saber do teu pai como é que é, estou muito perdido. Tu não recebeste nenhum pagamento no mês passado. Como é que tu estás a precisar de tanto dinheiro? Tu não recebeste no mês passado o pagamento do dinheiro? Não. Tá? No mês passado não recebeste dinheiro dele. Saber que não entendo como é que tu não tens dinheiro, já estás a gastar quase o mês todo no fevereiro. Vai lá, Dani, não encontro dinheiro, Então manda-me lá, faz favor. Estou perdida, não sei qual é o que é que tu vais perceber, o que é que não vais perceber. Eu não posso constituir, eu não sou nenhuma vaca de meras de ouro, filho.
Eu sei que não és. Não tenho nada. Olha.
Estava a primeira ideia. Estava completamente a minha ideia. Que eu vou ligar à Margarida, vou dizer, Margarida, tens que ir falar com um pedopsiquiatra. Qualquer pedopsiquiatra em Portugal vai-te dizer que um filho não pode ficar afastado do pai, a não ser que o pai tenha fugido, que não é o caso. Isso que eu vou dizer, realmente é isso. Não há a pedopsiquiatra. Eles vão buscar o Alexandre, voltou para a família dele, que é disfuncional para caramba, estava muito melhor na Santa Casa, porque é mais importante estar com os pais. Estamos aqui, eu estou aqui às vezes a dormir, esqueço da minha área. Claro, qualquer pedopsiquiatra. O Filipe é assim, ok, não serve como companheiro, mas como pai, tem testemunhas a dizer que ela é o pai. Está percebido?
Ela não foi psicóloga, ela fugiu a todos os. Sei que eu estava a dizer, pode-se chamar eles a testemunha. O que é que eles vão dizer? Vão dizer que ela chegou lá e não gostou e fez testemunha.
Manda-me lá o meio do teu pai, para perceber como é que vais receber dinheiro. Realmente aí eu acho
Eu
que.
tenho uma chamada para o pai hoje de manhã. Uma chamada.
Está bem, mas manda, pronto, aqui eu penso em um.
Mas,
Bem.
bem.
Eu tenho um meio, pronto.
Calma. Não, estou a dizer. Está tudo bem.